Good morning, everyone. I'm Bavadarni from EC Department third year. So today we are going to see the concept of shell scripts. In previous video, we have seen a topic shell. So in this video, let's see the shell scripts. Okay. First I'm telling what is shell. Shell is a command interpreter, and it takes each command and it passes it and passes it to the OS kernel, to the acted upon. Okay. And the different user may use different shells. Initially, your system administrator will supply a default shell. The most common available shells are C shell, corn shell, TC shell, born again shell. Okay. And let's see the shell script execution. So what is shell script execution means? Once the shell is created, the several ways to execute it. Corn shell script can be executed. It may be assigned the proper permissions, though. Chmod command changes permissions on individual files. So chmod plus simple is a command for shell script execution. Okay. And you can also execute and you can also execute scripts by just typing it name alone. So you can execute a script by just typing a name. Okay. So the script must be defined in your path variable. So when looking at your profile, so path is equal to path at home. So um, it is a profile used in path. Okay. So the simple script can be run from the command line like this. Simple. And you can also invoke the script from your current shell by opening a background sub process or subshell. Okay. To run the script you created in the background, invoke in this way. Simple. And when the script completes, you'll see the output similar to the current shell. So these are the script created in the background is simple. And so and the corn shell script run in the different way than they would in other shells. Okay. If you use export or type as x commands to make the variables known outside and the parent shell, any subshell will automatically inherit and the values defined for the parent shell. Okay. So if you open a new shell from the parent shell and run the script, so it is defined as my address. So these are the command used in ksh command. So the next one is if you export my addresses from the parent shell, that the command is s exit and export my addresses. And the open new shell and run the look me up script again is now defined. So these are the command used in open a new shell. And illustrating a parent shell means the command is my address equal to Houston, Texas. Print my address is Houston, Texas. And if you if you exit and the new shell and go back the parent shell for the same command is uh, sexist sexist sprint and my address. Only the changes 123 any street USA. So these changes only happen. So the next one is shell script illustrated view. So what is shell script shell script detailing means? So it is a risk of sounding redundant, and shell scripts are simply files containing a list commands. So it can bit further and look at a shell script line by line. So shell script are often used to automate day to day tasks. For example, a system administrator might use the following scripts are. Okay. So shown again, but in this time with annotation, the script processing steps are clear. So these are the commands used in script processing steps. Okay. And the next is log is equal to slash where is slash log. So in this fourth line in the represent, so the example of the script processing in the fourth line, change to the directory where disk dot log resides. In this fourth line, script changes from cp disk dot log disk dot log 0. So these changes are happen in this script processing. So thank you.